Hey, this is Dad Draws. I'm a dad and I love to draw. Today's drawing tip is about starting loose with drawing and then refining your details. So in this particular sketch, I'm drawing the raptor. So my first step is to loosely block in all the overall shapes of the raptor head. Then broadly shade the head with the side of my pencil to define the lights and darks around the face so I can define its form. Form transitions away from the light that will make them a little bit darker so I can boost up the contrasts, such as the eyes and in the mouth area. Then once I'm happy with the overall block shading, I'll start to sharpen that pencil and start adding these details. You can see I add these curves along the ridges to define the brow lines and show the shape of the brow lines, and then I proliferate those curves all over the face. Then I'll do the final finishing touches and add the textures and little dots around the skin. That's a wrap. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Peace and love.